I had a lot of you asking how I get this hairstyle that I posted. It's very easy. So I use the volumizing and shape mist, and I just squirt a bunch of it in my hair. And yes, I have the balancing #3 charcoal mask on, because why not multitask, right? And then I use this Repair and Nourish split end serum. I use like 2 squirts targeting just mainly the ends of my hair, run it through it. And then I use the Smooth and Control hair oil, just like a squirt is all you need, maybe 2. And I just kind of target the ends of my hair and kind of the middle part that gets a little bit frizzy. I like to brush it afterward just to kind of make it smooth. And then I roll it up in a towel. I know there's towels that do this for you, but really I just know I need a kind of half-size towel and a big clip. Roll my hair up into it, and then I sleep with it like that overnight. Take it out in the morning. If I need a little bit more hair oil at that time when I take it out, I can kind of tame some of the frizz. But I basically sleep like that all night, and sometimes it comes out, and that's okay. And then voila, in the morning.